boy, do I need a shave. Wait a sec. I don't have a beard. Wow! It's a million-year-old cave woodpecker frozen in ice.
Congratulations, Mr. Woodpecker. You have found your earliest known relative, the cave woodpecker. This is the archaeological find of the millennium.
I'll be rich and famous. Woohoo! But how am I gonna get you to the museum? Better get a pecking. Oh no! If that guy escapes, there goes my fame and fortune! I'm not gonna hurt you! I'm trying to help you!
Yumba.
Food? Fine. Just stop clobbering the wallpaper, you Neander freak.
Tickets, please.
Oh no! I don't have a ticket for you! You gotta hide! One ticket for Woody Woodpecker, traveling alone, by himself.
May I help you stow that suitcase?
I'll just stow it up here. Good night, steward. That does it, Buster. Hey, good idea. Let's get you into some duds so you'll blend in. Not bad. Now it's my turn. Now let's go eat.
Go eat! Go eat! Go eat!
This guy better make me really rich.
Tickets, please.
Oops. Shh. Let's get out of here.
Shh! Let's get out of here.
Mr. Woodpecker, what a surprise! I thought you were traveling alone.
This is my uncle. Oh, yeah, hey, Unc's from a very foreign country. Very friendly woodpeckers there, and very clean.
Oh, how utterly charmed.
Charmed.
I've been all over the world, and I've never had my hand licked before. May I?
May I?
Everyone simply must meet your uncle. Toodles for now, Mr. Woodpecker.
Now look what you...
May I? Yeah, sure. I'll never win a prize.
Time to go, Unc. We won! We won!
Sweet!
Now, we're going to dinner. You behave.